and this is my project 3, where I modified the existing game to add some new enemies to it. I did this primarily through the Resource Manager class, and under the method Load Creature Sprites, where at this point I added a couple of the images into this for loop right here to call the images for the new enemies that I created. And then again right here, when I was creating the enemies, and then a little further down, I added here a method for each one to create each individual enemy that I was doing. So right through there. And then I created a class for each one of the new enemies. We'll start with a super mean wasp. The super mean wasp extends from creature, and I took the liberties of adding the ability to fly, track the player, and having a health of 4, while also playing with the vertical speed and the horizontal response time and vertical response time, as well as the enemy speed multiplier, just to make this guy a little more aggressive. Next, we have the evil spider. This one is more like a boss. I wanted it to be tougher to kill. So again, this one extends from creature, but this time I added a jump speed, tracks the player, has intelligence, and has a higher health of 5. To go down, it's got a similar enemy speed multiplier. All right, and then the scorpion, the last one, is just more of a simple boss. This one also extends from creature, but this one has a health of 2, and so it doesn't really do much compared to the super mean wasp or the evil spider. But then what I had done also is I went into the sprites, and this is where I played with it or added it so they would pull the images. So when I created the maps, they would pull from there. And then I created map 11 kind of just to test it all out right there. And then I adjusted the level right here because I wanted map 11 to show up first instead of going through the order that you guys had originally created. So what I'm going to show you now is how the game actually behaves and what it looks like. Right, as you can see right there, I added some life to it, so because it can be a little complicated with the enemies added to it. So there are the scorpions, relatively easy to kill, but still fun, a little different. And the super mean wasps, as you can see, they are tracking him, but they're not impossible to kill. And the next one we got going on here is the evil spider, which behaves more of a boss. As you can see, it is intelligent and is tracking, but again, still not impossible to kill. Once you get on top of it, he's pretty vulnerable. And there we go, the level is complete. Just want to thank you guys for checking out my game. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.